Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Chipotle. Yeah, I can't say Chipotle the same ever since I seen that video that this little kid did like almost 10 years ago. But yeah, I think he was talking about his sister. But I have, let me see, I got a burrito bowl. It has chicken, brown rice, black beans, roasted chili, corn salsa, and sour cream, and romaine lettuce, and half it's supposed to be steak, but we'll see how it is. And I also have some chips and queso blanco. I guess that is it. I really don't remember it being any good last time I checked the queso, but I don't remember. It was a long time ago. Yeah, that's a lot of lettuce. A lot. I'll be drinking a Bud Light Platinum on the side. Okay. Oh, never mind. So let's see. This look like the I guess steak. It's not gonna be as good as it was last time, I know, but yeah. Excuse me. Let's try the chicken side. It looks like I guess some chicken, but yeah, this is how my plate is looking. Tastes pretty good. Kind of remind me of the chicken they have in the deli section. The whole chicken that they have in the deli section at Walmart. Pretty good though. Let's try this. Wow. At least they gave more than the time when they gave 3 chips. Hey. God dang. Something that you can simply make at your house. That's what it tastes like. Yeah. Let me try this beer. It's been a while since I actually had a beer, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think I can open it with my hands anymore. Okay. Chips kind of remind me of Cinemark's chips, like when you go to the movies. Weird. It's pretty good though. Yeah, you start off. Yeah, I'm tripping. The heck? Hey. Dang, that felt better. Way better. Yeah. I think all I needed was the burp for today because I've been feeling like blah. I did actually walk outside today. This is my second time actually doing it. So that's actually good. I like actually just walking outside as far as like getting a good little workout on. Haven't decided to actually jog or anything outside. That's a whole new level. But baby steps, all I gotta say. when I move back to the area that I'm wanting to move to, I might go actually jog with my brother or my mom, whichever one. I'm not really looking to actually do that in this area though. They have a bike trail over here, but I don't feel comfortable be like people jogging on it all the time, and I don't really feel comfortable doing that over here. It'll be awkward. It will be awkward. I'm really thinking about getting out of Dallas area, period, because it's like this here area or this whole like Dallas and like the somewhat surrounding areas is getting like horrible. Like the whole DFW area is like, it's just going to crap. I don't know what that's about. Then again, if I move out the area, it's gonna be like, what if I want to do something that's down here? Like, that's the only thing I hated about the commute when I used to stay in Lancaster or whatever, Lancaster. It was just like the difference of going or doing things downtown. But now if I'm like in the like area that I'm in, it's just like you can walk down the street or whatever, just go to a food place or whatever. But I'm not looking to do that anymore because it's like craziness. People, I guess all the different personalities of people that stay over here. I'm like over it. But on a good note, thinking about doing opening up a lot of chapters in my life. So that's actually good to an extent. It's always good to try new things. This food is pretty good. I don't know. When I was in the hospital, I wanted to eat the food or whatever, but it was like so uncomfortable for me to eat, and I was getting full so quick, like after 2 bites, like 1 or 2 small bites. But the food was like really good. And I was like, what the heck? Hospital food is good as heck. I can see if I worked at a hospital, which if that might be coming up soon or whatever, I just need to get, well, I'm trying to get a certificate in Epic or whatever, which my company is like, I think they used to do that, but now they stopped doing it. So I'm just going to try to end up doing it on my own with what I have now, so I can probably work at a hospital eventually. But the whole thing about it, I'll probably end up getting fat as heck if I worked at a hospital. The food was actually good. The desserts was actually good. The fruit was fresh, which is awkward. But for the amount that I paid for it, the food better been good as heck. That's all I have to say. I liked it. I enjoyed the stay. I just wish it could have been on. I wouldn't even want to go to the hospital, to be honest, if that was the case. But they made my stay good. No, that's all I gotta say. I was thinking about making some breakfast food, but I decided not to. So my meal for today was just Chipotle. I haven't had a snack or anything. I feel like I was just like somewhat doing other things, busy doing other things throughout the day, and I don't even really remember that what I did that was so important today. Or that consumed of a lot of time, at least. Trying to think, cause I didn't do anything, so it was just like, yeah. It's like 6 o'clock now, so tripping. I do not know what the heck. Something to snack on. I should have got like something sweet or whatever to snack on when I ordered this or whatever, because all the stuff that I have is basically processed. Well, I do have some fruit, but I don't feel like eating no dang bananas at 6 o'clock after I had a beer. Really, I end up throwing up. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, what's this? Better for real though. I don't know. It's been I don't think it have. Well, I don't think no one has stayed in my apartments or whatever that's surrounding me, at least, and somebody finally moved in and they was playing like some club music, like what is it, rave music or whatever? Yeah, rave music. Yeah, some rave music. It seemed like they was like playing the same song the whole time or whatever. And I was just like, what the heck? I was just thinking about the days I used to go to S4 and stuff. It was just like, yeah. But it was loud as heck when I came in the kitchen. My dang ceiling was vibrating. Well, their ceiling on my floor was vibrating. I was like, what the heck? tastes like they made the on some pieces it tastes like they used they put something that consisted of peanut oil, and it's giving me a nasty flavor. Awkward. Try the steak again. Just by itself. That's pretty good. Some Chipotle's be taking like they be using real steak. I highly doubt that they use real steak. But it actually tastes like real steak. It doesn't necessarily taste like processed meat to an extent. Messed up. Yeah, this sausage head ass nigga gonna answer fucking phone. Sausage head ass. My bad. Typical. Chips and dips are pretty. The chips and dips is good. The chips and dip are good. The food overall, I give it a hard 6. Good flavor, but not what I was expecting, basically. I know it'll make me probably poop tonight, which is a good thing. That's always good. Kind of graphic, but yeah, that's always good. I guess it'll be good if I just finish up my beer and get on these chips. I'm really thinking about throwing it out, but it'll be a good snack or whatever if I actually season it up and just heat it up. But I'm not feeling it right now. Even though I'm probably under the influence of alcohol, not feeling it at all. So yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm probably gonna throw that away. I still haven't took down my tree. I still haven't took down my tree. What the heck? It's still just in here. And I'll be in my living room all the time. So, I'm probably gonna end up taking that down, hopefully. Hopefully sometime soon, that's all I have to say. I'm getting tired of looking at it. I already took down the Grinch scrap. I took down the I took down the ornaments and stuff. So yeah, I just need to take down the tree. It's just too much. I was hoping by the time I take down the tree, I can be possibly moving. Hopefully sooner than later though. Let me finish this off. It seems like I've been on here too much. I'll be like editing the stuff and I'll be like, yeah, they don't probably want to hear that stuff. But yeah, a lot. Good one. No, I'm just saying. But somebody hit somebody's car just now. Fun. This is bringing back memories somewhat. I hate smelling pissy beer sometimes because it like brings back memories if I like drunk a lot of stuff and I end up throwing up. Crap. I don't even remember. Last time I got that pissy drunk, I threw up everywhere in my car. And I had to have Kiana come pick me up. I don't like that feeling at all. So that was the last time. That's in years. 4 or 5 years, 3, 4 years. And pissy drunk like that. That's a horrible feeling. God dang. But thank God, yeah, all the all the times that I actually was pissy drunk, I was able to come back home and whatever and just chill, or all my family, my friends made it home. Oh crap, it felt like I had something in my throat. But yeah, every time I always make it home, my family and friends make it home safe, so that's a blessing as always. But yeah, I try not to do that anymore. If I do, I actually do it in my house or with the company of my family when I'm going over my mom's house. Hey. Whew. But I think I am finished with this one. Everything was pretty good. I give it a hard 6. For real, cause that, I don't know. Only reason, probably I shouldn't mix it together, chicken and steak. yeah, I was thinking not, but something told me to be adventurous. Yeah, it was pretty good to an extent, but nah, not my style. But yeah, I am out for now. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. As usual, I'm really thankful for you guys. Only time, basically, I'm only motivated to actually make videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.